So today we're going to be making a bright flare. This is going to consist of 60% potassium nitrate, which is going to be our oxidizer, 30% dextrose, which is going to be our fuel, and around 10% magnesium, which is going to help this burn super bright. So first we're going to put in around 2.5 grams of our magnesium. Now this is not to the consistency that we want. I would like this to be a powder, but this was the most I could get it going. I tried grinding this up a bit. I did get some powder towards the bottom, but we also have some big chunks in there. All right, and now we're gonna put around 15 grams of potassium nitrate. Okay. Okay, there's 15 grams of potassium nitrate, and now we're going to put around 7.5 grams of this dextrose. So this is a formulation that I found online titled as Yellow Flare, but I did a slight variation of it because my magnesium isn't very powdered. I want to add some more fuel than the formula recommended. And I went with dextrose since it holds a bit more energy than sucrose for burning fuel. And this is a nice powder, our dextrose, so we shouldn't have much trouble with that. Okay. So now that we got that, we have everything that we need together. So we're gonna want to mix this nice and carefully, not creating too much friction. That might set this off. We see that these magnesium turnings in there might be causing some problems. There are some big chunks. So I'm gonna get this mixed up nice and well, and then we're gonna do a good burn test. All right, let's give this a light. Oh my God, that burned very bright.